Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fusion front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by parking your car on a level surface and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical issues and ensures a smooth process. Having the right tools ready makes the job much easier and more efficient. Next, let's remove the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all screws and plastic clips along the top, sides, and bottom. You'll often find these in the wheel wells and under the vehicle. Gently pull the bumper away from the fender liners. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors before completely detaching the bumper cover. Now it's time to install your new front bumper. Carefully position the new bumper cover, aligning it with the mounting points on the vehicle's frame and fenders. Reconnect all electrical components, like your fog lights and any sensors, ensuring they click securely into place. Then, reinsert all the screws and clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is snug. Finally, perform a thorough check to ensure everything is correctly installed. Double-check all screws and clips to confirm the bumper is securely attached and there are no loose parts. Reconnect your negative battery terminal. Then, test all your lights, including fog lights and any sensors to confirm they are working properly. You've successfully replaced your front bumper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.